access to their health and medical information in order to live healthy lifestyles on a daily basis, improving overall health and well-being. 117 million. Too many people in our country today aren't healthy. In fact, this number represents over 40% of Americans that suffer from 2 or more chronic illnesses. This number is also expected to increase to 150 million by 2025. While there are many factors at play for the cause of this epidemic, it's really rooted in our infrastructure not having the reliable technology to be able to address this. Over the past decade, medical records has been digitized. However, this has led to siloed walled gardens, which are targets for healthcare data breaches, and also it creates difficulty for holistic patient care. Patientory is transforming healthcare. Not only are we unlocking previously siloed data information, we're providing actionable insights to this data, which makes it more valuable than previously having the data owners lock up that information for themselves. Patientory Inc. is a founding member of the Patientory Association Patientory Network Blockchain Distributed Storage Consortium. This is the only healthcare distributed storage network that is governed by a token Patientory. Our association formed to secure protected health information owned and governed by its members. And with blockchain as the infrastructure, this gives patients the opportunity to be in the driver's seat to own that information and share it with whomever they want to. The Patientory network creates an ecosystem of collaboration within the healthcare industry. Participants have access to rich data sets, which is through the unified distributed network that can be used to improve workflows both financially and clinically. As a part of this network, Patientory Inc. is able to provide secure patent-pending integrations to major electronic medical records such as Cerner, Allscripts, Meditech, and Epic. Our company is able to provide a suite of decentralized applications which is able to track and provide analytics to both healthcare organizations and consumers. This means, as a consumer, I'm able to integrate my Apple Watch along with my fitness regimens and my medical information data to better track my wellness goals. My annual visit to my provider becomes much more meaningful to provide these reports to help my physician better understand my daily routine in order to maximize my health outcomes. Also, a physician who previously had limited information about their patients from their electronic medical data now has the entire patient history. They're able to determine and recommend the best pathway of care for their patients with this aggregated data. With access to this information, we're able to realize improved metrics in the healthcare ecosystem, realizing and saving costs such as 85% decrease in readmissions and penalties. This is a system that cannot be breached and can also improve an organization's bottom line. To date, Patientory is the only decentralized and distributed system that gives patients their data, whereas companies like Epic, who does not give ownership to patients, rely on a more centralized closed-loop ecosystem. Our partnerships with leading organizations around the world continue to support us on our moonshot mission of achieving healthcare data for individuals around the world. We've partnered with companies like IrisGuard, which lends its iris tracking device on our software, giving an extra layer of security and access. With a community of over 25,000 people and 8 pilots in the pipeline, we're looking to partner with healthcare organizations and investors who are ready to transform healthcare through effective and efficient technology. We were recently named one of the top 10 innovative companies in the state of Georgia for 2019, and over 2 years ago, as one of the early token sales, raised over $7 million in less than 3 days from over 1,500 people around the world who are all invested in improving their healthcare. Prior to starting Patientory, I had the same need, both professionally and personally, simply moving from state to state and not being able to access my entire healthcare data. After assisting in building a telemedicine company, I realized that the key to better, efficient healthcare was access to patient data, and to also improve service. Our team hails from the first clinical informatics department that has offered blockchain as a course, and a team of developers that has built large scalable companies for companies like Microsoft. So, are you ready to have your health in the palm of your hands? Join us now on our mission to transform healthcare by taking the first step and downloading our app at patientory.com. Thank you.